You jump into your car, turn the key, and nothing happens. Or worse, you're driving and the transmission suddenly feels like it is stuck in one gear and refuses to shift. That is a scary feeling. And if you're seeing the code P0900, it is pointing directly to your clutch actuator circuit. This code is common in vehicles with semi-automatic transmissions, like those you find in some Toyotas, Fords, or Smarts. These cars use a computer to operate the clutch for you, essentially acting like an invisible foot on the pedal. When the code P0900 triggers, it means the computer, often the TCM or Transmission Control Module, has detected an open circuit. Think of it like a bridge being out on a road. The electrical signal just cannot get to where it needs to go to engage the clutch. This can leave you stranded because the engine might not even crank if the computer does not know what position the clutch is in. Before you panic and order a new, expensive actuator, take a deep breath. A very common mistake people make is replacing the actuator immediately, but often the culprit is just damaged wiring or a bad ground connection. Start by looking for technical service bulletins for your specific car, as this might be a known issue with a quick fix. If that does not help, pop the hood and inspect the wiring going to the clutch actuator. Look for scrapes, burn spots, or loose connectors. I recall one case where a simple loose ground strap was causing all the chaos. You'll want to use a digital multimeter to check for voltage and continuity. You're looking for breaks in the line. If you find a fuse blown, don't just replace it. Figure out why it blew. Is a wire shorting out against the frame? Diagnosing this takes a bit of patience, but checking the basics like fuses, relays, and wire integrity is usually where the solution lies. It's all about tracing that path and finding where the electrical flow stops.